Hello everyone, in this video I will cover how to edit and work with existing dashboard. There are a few other tutorial or video that will show you how to do more other stuff on this Schwab dashboard, but I will only cover adding content to an existing dashboard. In this example we have here, I can see we have the company administrator dashboard, and I will show you how we add all this content and how to add more and how to edit the content and how to do more modifications on this dashboard. As a super administrator, when we log into this on the Schwab website, this is an example, our landing page will be Schwab admin dashboard. This activity can only be performed by the super admin. Upon logging in, or we go to this page, admin dashboard. As a super administrator, we can get to this page, or we click on the dashboard here, it will take you to the page. Now let's go to the content modification. At the top, down left corner, you will see Schwab dashboard. You click on at this area, we have the option to edit or disable the dashboard. Our option here and our intention here is to edit the dashboard. When you click on edit dashboard, it will take you to a page. If you look at the URL here, to the page, it's a page modification. We are trying to edit this page. Now we have the option to edit any of the available dashboard. And this option we have are the super admin dashboard, the enterprise configuration, the company administrator, the company developer, the user dashboard. We are working here with company administrator. We click on the content. Now at the content, we have a defined layout already, and where we have is just like a container where we want to put the content. There will be another video that tells us or shows us how to create all these layouts by the super administrator. Now let's begin by display setting. Display setting determines how this looks like. The style, the right corner here, pretty much the display layout. So now on this display setting, when you click on this, we have the option to change the style, and we have the settings. When you click on change, it will take you to how do we want each of the file container to look like. Want to look like a list, no style, or round corner. The round corner we see here, it gives us this option to have round corner here. You see we have round corner along all this one. So we click on round corner next. What do you want the round corner? How do we box around? We want to box around each pen or each region. Each pen option will give us to box around. You look at this right here. If I have a multiple of this, see this one here. This is each of the pen. This is one. This is one. This is one. But if I say I have a whole area here, I can have a round corner around it. But at this AC, we are having round corner around each of this, not the whole. Right? So I say we want it to be each, not the region. Now save it Now on the title side, see this title you see here on this page, company user. We want to define that here. Sorry, the title you see company administrator here. When you go to the page that shows right here, Schwab dashboard, when the user view it, this is where we define what shows up. This is for the Schwab dashboard company. We want to have this one to be company administrator that shows up. So we type the title you want of this. Now we already have it predefined. So now our goal here is to add content here. Let's assume this is a sample company user. We want to add this company user to this. We go over here, right here, add content. This company user is a view. So we go down here, which is on a view. We have the company user. We have this to be block. We want to be block. Okay. We don't want to define any of this. Now we want to add another content. Let's add more or create content. This is another part of the block we can add, create content. See right here. See right here, we want to add it in here, add content. If we look at it, this goes to, we find where it is. This is content types, create content, and we can define how we want all this to be. What are the options we have? Include create links for content types. We can select which one we want. The other one we have content overview. We can add I'm just picking what we can add. It's kind of any one we want. Content overview. We can add, let's see, page elements. Find anywhere it is belong. Dashboard. Okay, content overview. What content overview you want, you can just check anyone you want. Finish. Then we can add more on the company. Let's assume there are a few of the views we have. If we have the company enterprise, company data, company apps. Let's say we want company data. These are the views that are already made. We can add. Okay. You can add more views. Let's say you want to add company enterprise. Want to be blocked. We go click on this. Then we can keep adding as much as we want. Yes, you want to add another one. And I'm proud of view. Company on the company. I see we have company enterprise. I believe we haven't had that one. You can add it. Now we have the company user, company data, company enterprise. Oh, we already have the company enterprise. Let's see, we want to remove it. This, and you remove it. Sometimes, so I can drag it here so I can see it clearly. Remove it. But move down here, drag it, remove it, right? Okay. Add content, view. So we can have more. Let's say anything related to company we want to add. Company user, can still add okay, we can see products. depending on the view, whatever you want to say, let's just say here. Now, after we had all this here, we can add more. Just filling, we can add as much as you want, depending on what the super admin really want the company administrator to see. Let's see, we can add activity, host online. Are these available variables views that is available on the system? Let's say content and user account. Could do that. Just go to default. So let us update and save. Update and preview. So update and save, we just update and save it. Update, we just update it. It updates, it goes back in again. Update and save is the same thing as update, but you just save it as well. Update and preview, we allow you to update it and you can preview it. See all this one I just added right now. Then at the end of the day, I have to save it here. When I save it, it will be permanent. Now I have this company dashboard. I can preview it. Now if I don't like how it looks like here, I can move any of the administer content times. I can drag it and move it down to under here to create more row. So I go to the content. I can go over here, drag it down here, update and preview. Oh no, I think I moved the wrong one. Sorry. Oh, I moved the wrong one here, which is okay. It's not the one I tried to move to the content. I move. Okay, here you go. Move this one here. Move it down here. Now there will be another session that will teach us how to add more. How to add more column. How to add more column to the left, to the right. But this is just for us to update an existing dashboard. So if I click on update and preview, I see this one is right here now. So this section here tells us how to work on existing dashboard content. Thank you.